Hey guys, welcome back to another custom video show. Today we're going to be working on a 1983 Chevy Silverado. Been wanting to do this truck for quite a while, so really happy to finally get to it. And so let's just go ahead and get started. Be right back. Okay, we went ahead and drilled it and stripped it, and here's what we're working with. Maybe. Oh, that's stubborn. There's the interior, windshield, base, and the body. So we're going to go ahead and take this to the paint shop and paint it. I'm going to have to find some new wheels for this thing. I'm going to paint this white, I think. Okay, to the paint shop. Be right back. Okay, we're back from the paint shop. Went ahead and painted it pink, of course, and put some decals around it. So now the only thing we have left to do is put it back together. Be right back. We started with this. And we finished with this. That finishes up our video for today. Thank you for watching. Please subscribe and hit the little bell if you already haven't. Appreciate any comments. Give a thumbs up if you liked the video, or a thumbs down if you didn't. Hopefully we'll catch you on the next video. Everybody have a great day, and we'll see you later.